All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this Tuff Custom knife here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. And you know what? Please remember to like, subscribe, and if you want, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this guy, which is pretty unique. It's different. 8 inches, no, 7 and 3/4 inches for the length, 3.5 for the handle, and 4 1/4 for, oh, that's the blade, not the handle. And that's the handle and not the blade. So you get the idea. No problem. Fab's got a couple of items to show you next to this stuff. Small, large, Sebenza 21. Small Shiro and large Shiro. See? So you get that this guy is in the ballpark of the Neon, but much different look. Another couple here, why not? You get the Spectre and the haptic from Holtz to give you an idea of how big this guy is. But anyways, I don't want to bore you to death with this size comparison. Here we have this interesting one. It's a frame lock in titanium. Materials are also nice. You get some mokutai right over here. You get some zirkutai in the back, and you got some titanium for the backspacer, and anodized, and titanium for the scale. Of course, this is mokutai as well. Pivot collar only on show side. So this is a very interesting knife. It has some unique shapes. The handle is it's quite complex. You see, you have these lines which are on the back, but just see, like this line is not repeated here. I don't know why. This line is, right? And that's something incongruent design feature, I would say. There's another incongruency, which is the mokutai and zirkutai. So, I mean, nothing wrong. I love this popping zirk, but probably would have made more sense to keep these three accents consistent. I don't know. Anyways, the work on the scale is very well done. The inlay is sticking out, it's protruding, it's not flush with the handle. That's like a choice. You have nice chamfers going on over here, like on the handle, to create some nice rounded off contouring for your grip. That is good. No internal skeletonization. You have 4 screws to hold the inlay in place. Interestingly done. You have I was checking, a little bit of chamfering on the inside. That is good. Finger grooves here. It's a little bit small, but kind of works for your index finger, like so. You see, that's not too bad. Very simple construction. You get a T8 for the handles and a T also 8 for the pivot screw. Super straightforward to take apart this fella. There is one thing that I'm not really happy about. It's the lock stick, and as you can see, there's no stainless steel lock face insert, and then you get a little bit of lock stick. It's not like crazy, but you do feel it. And it's a pity because it's a very nice knife, but has a little bit of stick. Maybe with time it will go away. I don't know. But right now it's there. And it's a pity because the action is very, very good. So no stainless steel lock face insert. You have a tip-up carry only pocket clip with this much real estate sticking out from your pocket. So remember that. Not reversible, of course. You cannot mount it on that side. Clip, as it's quite stiff, but still works all right. The only thing is that when you take it out, you see that's something you shouldn't do. Like this design is prone to snag the fabric as you put it out, because the cutout relief is external and is matching the beginning of the exiting ramp right over there. So that's not ideal design to me, but it's all right. It works just a little bit. I mean, nothing too crazy. And then you have like this pretty cool blade hand rub satin with a lot of things going on. There's no jimping, but you have like a nice divot, like a thumb, not a ram, but it's a thumb divot. And then the swedge starts like right at the beginning of the tang, and then goes, widening up to the tip. And then you have this tip, classic for Tuff, like very wide micro bevel at the tip, which narrows down up to this point, and you have a recurve up to the sharpening choil. Hand rub satin is very good. You have this kind of like Spyderco feeling for the whole absolutely sterile looking blade. This part is nicely done. It sticks out just a tad right there. This is a thick stock because it's like 0.157 behind the edge. Let's say at this point is not too bad. It's like 0.0195. So it's quite good, but thickens up quite fast because you see the flat is this. Starts from here, so full thickness is already up at this height. So that's one thing. This can be used as a finger choil. You can do a little bit more advanced grip like so that's going to be good. The sound of this fella is nothing spectacular, nothing remarkable. It's all right. Let's check the weight, because I don't know how much this guy is going to weigh in the pocket. So we got 427 ounces, not too shabby. I mean, it's a solid chunk of metal going on over here. In the hand, this guy feels good. I really don't feel any hot spots if I squeeze this, because all the chamfer, all the contouring, all the milling that went on into the handle, they contribute to have a quite comfy grip. So that is good. There's no jimping on the blade. There's only here on the backspacer, which is not creating any traction on the palm of my hand, but overall it gives a nice feel with zero flex to the structure, to the rigidity of the structure. There's not much texturing going on in the scales, so not really grippy, but a little bit slippery. This is like a polished mokutai chunk, so it's gonna be a little bit slippery. There's no rattling when shaken, so well put together. Blade doesn't move, no lock rock. You only have a little bit of lock stick, which I hope is gonna wear out with time. And it's very good. The detent, I would say it's on the medium, it's a medium detent. Nothing too crazy, nothing to be worried about. This guy's running on bearings, of course, and the action is just like drop shot because the blade is heavy. Look at this. This is gonna chop your fingers off. So be careful. You can deploy this guy in like few methods, of course, like two-handed. You can use your thumb and just do a thumb flick. You can do like a spidey flick like so. You can do a double pinch like this, which is gonna deploy it even faster. You can do a slow roll with the thumb. I mean, you can even do like maybe, no, I can't. A slow roll with the index, but still, it is a fidgety one. They just missed the opportunity to add some jimping, right, for like front flipping action, but still, overall, it's a very unique, kind of weird in some regards for the design aspect knife, which I like. It's I like the action. I like the overall quirkiness of the look. The handle is a little bit too thin, too slender for my paws, but the blade weight, sorry, not shape, is contributing to this pretty cool drop shotty action. The weight is contained, all right, for like a knife this size, but it gives a nice and quality feel to it. So pretty interesting one. It's not perfect. Hope the lock stick is gonna go away, but the look is gonna stay. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.